Guys, I want a Lexus RCF so bad. This thing is like the forerunner of the car world. So I've always been a fan of the RCF, guys, and this is the best iteration of it. This is the Track Edition. So like the TRD Pro Forerunner is the best of the best to get there. This RCF Track Edition is the best of the best to get. Carbon fiber bits everywhere, titanium exhaust, carbon ceramic brakes, insane interior. Let me show it to you guys. So starting off, we have Incognito color, the gray with all the black accents and blue on this car. Holy crap, freaking stands out like crazy. Carbon fiber hood, the quality of carbon fiber with this car is great. Underneath this hood, 5.0 liter V8, naturally aspirated. That's what we're talking about. The Forerunner, you know, it's a 4.0, naturally aspirated V6, no crazy technology with it as well. This car is just a raw car. Taking a look at the front, very in-your-face Lexus grille, carbon fiber down here at the bottom. Check out these lights. So a big touch of modern, right? But also with classic. Very cool 3-stack projector housing. We have the Lexus swoosh right here. Our vents right here to go to cool our carbon ceramic brakes. So if we look at the side of this right here, we can see our carbon ceramic brakes with this car. Michelin Pilot Sport tires. Huge brake caliper. Looking down the side of the car with that Incognito color, we have our F badge right here with a little bit of blue accent, which is cool. Carbon fiber down the rocker panels. Going to the back, we take another closer look at the carbon ceramic brakes. The black wheels just look so sick on it. And carbon fiber roof too, which is very cool for this Track Edition. And then check out this spoiler, guys. Carbon fiber spoiler, but carbon weaved into it. We have the F right there for F Sport. And it's not just the top of the spoiler either, but right here how it attaches to the trunk lid, all carbon fiber as well. Stepping back, the rear end of this car, just the classic RCF badge, carbon fiber diffuser down at the bottom, and also that titanium exhaust. Check out this exhaust. I want to start this freaking car so bad and just rev it, but we can't. But man, the outside of this car, definitely gonna go down as a classic, just like the Forerunner does. The body style of this is just so sick. And then as we go on into the inside, you guys will see the old school in there, just like a Forerunner. So what do you guys think of the exterior? Let's go ahead and go on into the inside and just sit in this thing and manifest about having a $100,000 car one day. So as we open up the door, soft touch everywhere, typical Lexus quality. We have some Alcantara right here, blue stitching. I love all the blue accents in this car. Blue carbon fiber right here. Holy crap, that's solid. Then check out how fat these rocker panels are. So our rocker panels, super huge, says Lexus right there. Check out the seats, insanely bolstered F seats. We have the F right there on the headrest. Alcantara steering wheel, the blue accents everywhere. Alcantara up here. Let's go ahead and sit in the car now. I can't adjust the seats, unfortunately, because it's like they took the batteries out, but that is a solid door. Holy crap. So very old school in here, guys. I wish I could turn it on, but they killed the battery on these cars. You have paddle shifters right here. You could see the blue accents in them and the plus and minus. Very old school steering wheel, but it is Alcantara wrapped, which is nice, with the blue F right down there for the F Sport. And then we have a outdated screen here, no wireless Android Auto, no wireless Apple CarPlay. You have the old school clock in here that Lexus did a while ago, and they've ditched that with newer models. You have a freaking CD player. You have a big clunky shifter. This looks like it's straight out of the Forerunner. A horrible little touchpad right here, but nobody cares, right? No one cares if you're buying this car because you're buying it for that 5.0 liter V8 and just to have a reliable, good car that has been out forever. And it's the reason why the Forerunner still sells so well, because people, certain people don't want the new tech. This is raw, it's old, it's the best of the best. It's the best of the best before you go into all that emissions crap and EV crap and all that stuff, which that has its place. That has its place 100%. And some of those cars are very good driving cars. However, this is just raw driver car, right? So that's why this is the Forerunner of the car scene. Even, you know, the competitors that this car goes up against, right? Like other cars in its class, it is so old school and outdated, but that's why people are still scooping this car up. And that's why people are still scooping the Forerunner up. So you can see our blue stitching right there in the doors, blue stitching right up there. Carbon fiber again there, carbon fiber right here, right on the glove box as well. Very nice and solid, soft touch all up here, but man, I love this car so much. Alcantara, like right here, look at that. Just really nice on the little or the little center console right here. No USB-Cs, just USB-As, and check this out. Freaking headphone jack. Like, It's just so, like, so old school, it's crazy. We do have some back seats here. They also say have F in the headrest, but really no space back there for rear occupants. So guys, I know that this car content is not typical on my channel, but I love cars. I love cars, automobiles, SUVs, trucks, everything. My channel is based around trucks mostly, right? But I've always dreamed about this car. Super soft headliner too, man. Holy smokes. So guys, I appreciate you watching this video of the RCF Track Edition. This is on my vision board. I don't know why the LFA, well, just like some sort of Lexus high performance car is on my vision board, and I would be totally fine if it was this. So guys, I appreciate you all watching, and I will catch you all in the next one. All right, see you later.